Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the devastating California wildfires that have been raging since July. As of today, January 13th, 2025, the situation remains critical. First, let's get into the numbers. The death toll has tragically risen to 24, with 16 people still missing. The Palisades fire has burned through over 23,000 acres, and is only 13% contained. The Eaton fire is just over 14,000 acres and 27% contained. Meanwhile, the Hearst fire is nearly under control, with 95% containment. The impact on communities is severe. Thousands of structures have been damaged or destroyed, leaving nearly 33,000 homes and businesses without power. Red flag warnings are in effect until Wednesday, with Santa Ana winds gusting up to 70 miles per hour, worsening the situation. The financial toll is staggering, with estimated damages potentially reaching $50 billion, including $20 billion in insured losses. President Biden has approved a major disaster declaration, which will help unlock federal funding for recovery efforts. Additionally, 8,000 National Guard members have been deployed to assist with firefighting and prevent looting. The fires have also disrupted everyday life. Schools in the Los Angeles Unified School District are closed through Friday, and several high-profile events like the Critics' Choice Awards and multiple TV show productions have been postponed or moved. Notable figures like Jamie Lee Curtis, Mark Hamill, and Kamala Harris are among those affected by evacuations or property damage. In a heartwarming display of solidarity, Jamie Lee Curtis donated $1 million, while Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan, and even the NFL have all contributed significant donations. However, there has been criticism of the government's response. Elon Musk and Donald Trump both cited water shortages and overregulation as factors contributing to the fire's severity. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember that even in the darkest of times, heroes rise. If you want to help, consider donating to relief efforts. Thanks for watching and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates.